Deducted portion, Mathematics Code 041, Class 9. Chapter name is Unit 1, Number System. Here are the chapters and the topics removed. The name of the chapter is Number System, Real Numbers, and the topics removed are representation of terminating, non-terminating recurring decimals on the number line through successive magnification. Explaining that every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line and conversely, viz. every point on the number line represents a unique real number, and definition of nth root of a real number. This portion has been deleted for 2020-2021. The second chapter name is Polynomial. From the Polynomial, the topics removed are motivate and state the remainder theorem with examples, statement and proof of the factor theorem, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Then the next is linear equation in two variables. From linear equation in two variables, examples and problems on ratio and proportion have been deleted. From coordinate geometry lesson, no any kind of deletion is there. All the contents have been taken, so no any kind of deletion from coordinate geometry. Now from geometry, introduction to Euclid's geometry, the whole chapter has been deleted. As we can see here, the whole chapter has been deleted, that is introduction to Euclid's geometry. The next chapter is lines and angles, and from lines and angles again no deletion has been occurred. The next chapter is triangles, and from the triangle lesson we can see here all the things has been deleted. Proof of the theorem deleted. The theorem is two triangles are congruent if any two angles and the included side of one triangle is equal to any two angles and the included side of the other triangle. A is a congruence. The topic deleted, triangle inequalities and relation between angle and facing side inequalities in triangle. From quadrilateral, no any kind of deletion is there, but area of quadrilateral, the whole chapter has been deleted. Circles, the next lesson is circle, and from circle there is one and only one circle passing through three given non-collinear points. This theorem has been deleted. And if a line segment joining two points obtained equal angles at two other points lying on the same side of the line containing the segment, the 4 points lie on a circle. This theorem also has been deleted. Now the lesson construction of a triangle of given perimeter and base angles has been deleted. From mensuration, from areas, Heron's formula lesson में application of Heron's formula in finding the area of a quadrilateral. This portion has been deleted, but the surface area and volume, the whole lesson has been taken as it is. No any kind of deletion from the surface area and volume. Then the next is statistics and probability. From statistics we can see here histograms, frequency polygons, mean, median and mode of ungrouped data. These all things have been deleted, but from probability no any kind of deletion, as the whole lesson probability has been taken as it is. Now this is about class 10. Class 10, the deleted portion, the topics removed, I am going to explain here. The first lesson is number system. From real numbers, Euclid's division lemma has been deleted. We can see here. The second thing is algebra. From algebra, from the lesson polynomial, the statement and simple problems on division algorithm for polynomials with real coefficients has been deleted. Now the next one is pair of linear equations in two variables, and from the lesson cross multiplication method has been deleted. Yes, here pair of linear equations in two variables. From the lesson cross multiplication method has been deleted. The next lesson is quadratic equation, and from the quadratic equation the situational problem based on equation reducible to quadratic equations. The next lesson is arithmetic progression, and from the lesson arithmetic progression, application in solving daily life problems based on the sum to nth term. This has been deleted. The next is coordinate geometry. From the coordinate geometry, area of triangle content has been deleted. And from triangle lesson, two theorems have been deleted. That is, the first theorem is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. The second is, in a triangle, if the square on one side is equal to sum of the square on the other two sides, the angle opposite to the first side is at a right angle. But from the circle lesson, no any kind of deletion has been happened. The construction lesson got deleted. The construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle. This portion has been deleted from the construction lesson. The construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle, this portion has been deleted. Now, the next part is trigonometry, and the introduction to trigonometry from this lesson motivate the ratios whichever are defined at 0 degree and 90 degree. The next part from trigonometric identities, heights and distance, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, and from height and distance means application of trigonometry. From application of trigonometry, no any kind of deletion has been happened. In mensuration, the areas related to circle, the problems on central angle of 120 degree has been deleted, and from surface area and volume, frustum of cone, the concept has been deleted. In from statistics, two concepts have been deleted, that is step deviation method for finding the mean and cumulative frequency graph. And from probability, no kind of deletion is there. The whole lesson has been taken as it is. So this is about class 10 mathematics. All the remaining updates about other subjects are in the next part of the video. Thank you so much.